we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So, I'm looking at these two Philips espresso machines, the 3200 B08193D1RN and the 3300 B0CZ4GN5YT. Both fully automatic, which is what I want. But what are the real differences?
Okay, let's dive in. The 3200 is listed as renewed, meaning it's pre-owned and refurbished. The 3300 is brand new. That's the first big difference, right? Price reflects that, with the 3200 being cheaper, often around $600, while the 3300 is closer to $800.
Yeah, the price is a factor, but I'm wondering about features. They both have the LatteGo system, right? I want good milk frothing.
Absolutely. Both use the LatteGo for frothing, but the 3300 is advertised as working well even with plant-based milks. Plus, it boasts silent brew technology, supposed to be 40% quieter. That could be important if you're an early riser.
Silent brew sounds nice, and plant-based milk is a plus. What about drink options?
The 3200 offers 5 coffee options. The newer 3300 expands on that with 6 options, including iced coffee. It also has a hot water option for tea, and it connects to Philips' Home ID app for recipes and tips.
Okay, the iced coffee and app connectivity are tempting. What about grinder adjustments? Are they both ceramic grinders?
Yes, both use ceramic grinders with 12-step adjustment, so grind size is pretty customizable on both. The 3300 also highlights its AquaClean filter, claiming you won't need to descale as often, up to 5,000 cups.
Descaling is a pain, so that AquaClean filter sounds great. The 3200 doesn't seem to mention that. Also, what about the size difference?
The 3300 is a bit smaller, at 9.68, DX 17.04, WX 14.6H, versus the 3200's 15, DX 10 inches, WX 17H. So the 3300 is less deep but wider. Also, the 3300 is lighter, about 17.6 pounds, versus the 3200's 21.6 pounds.
All right, so the 3300 is newer, quieter, has more drink options, the app, the AquaClean filter, and is a bit smaller. But it's also more expensive. The 3200 is a renewed model, so that's a risk, but the price is better.
Exactly. It boils down to whether you want the latest features and are willing to pay more, versus saving money on a refurbished model with slightly fewer features. Also, the 3300 has way more recent reviews.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.